In this video, we will how to make car seats more comfortable for your child. So let's start now. A car seat is your baby's home away from home. If it is not comfortable, they cannot tell you what's wrong with their seats and will only stay uncomfortable and keep you too. How to make car seats more comfortable for your child. There may be a genuine issue in either the design of the car seat, i.e. it is not infant-friendly, or in its installation. Keep calm and read below to know the technical and parental tricks to make your baby's car seat more relaxing. How to make car seats more comfortable. Baby car seats are usually made comfortable as they are for the kids and designed keeping in view their needs and comfort. How to make car seats more comfortable to enjoy daily rides more. You can further make it more breathable for your child by following the given below tips. 1. Adjust car seat height. Car seat height has a direct relation with your baby's head and neck comfort. If the top of the car seats is too high, for infants and toddlers, or too low, for an older child, it is an obvious sign of inconvenience for the child. How to make car seats more comfortable. The accurate height limit for your child's car seat is, the top of the car seat should be 2 to 3 inches above the child's head top. You can use best infant head support for car seat to provide them with more comfort. Note: infant car seat height limit adjustment should be consciously made by the parents as their spine is still under development and any get deformed or hurt just because of the car seat's improper height. 2. Recline angle adjustment. The best car seat brands design them with the multi-positional reclining headrest to provide your baby with a changeable head and neck angle while sleeping or want to stare around. For the infants and toddlers, while sleeping, keep the headrest at a semi-inclined angle, at a 45-degree angle. It will keep their head and neck off the chin and that could otherwise block their airways and cause an emergency for the preschoolers and older children. Keep the headrest slightly more upright, about a 30-degree angle, for the babies older than 4 years in the modern baby car seats. 3 are built-in recline angle indicators according to the weight of the child. 3. Set the tilt. Baby car seat tilt is another important aspect of comfort, that is usually ignored and not discussed. Then how to make car seats more comfortable? To make it more breathable for your baby and to provide support to the baby's back and legs, car seat should be tilted slightly more than a right angle. Note: if you ever wonder why your child loathes their car seat, you must get the answer now. It is their car seat's wrong tilt that keeps their legs, knee, back, and every body part uncomfortable, especially when they are rear-facing.